What should I do if I can't use the adapter after installing the driver on Windows 7? Step 1. Uninstall other adapter drivers. Please open Control Panel. Then, enter Uninstall a program to check whether other adapter drivers are installed. If so, please uninstall other drivers. Step 2. Check Device Manager. First, double-click Computer. Click System Properties. Click Device Manager. Find Network Adapters. Right-click Tenda Wireless USB Adapter, then click Properties. Finally, please read the device status. If the device status contains code 37, please visit this website to download the patch. After installing the patch, please restart your computer. If the device status contains code 52, please visit these websites to download the patch. After installing the patch, please restart your computer. If the above steps still cannot solve your problem, please contact our technical support.